Hey everyone, John here from Diode. Today in the garage we'll be showing you how to install our new SSC2 chase light kit like you see here on this 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3. And if you went with a reverse light kit, the installation process is exactly the same. Let's get started. To begin, we can start by taking our roll bar mount and sliding the ring over the bar and securing the mounting platform by using the included 3/16 Allen bolt, washers, and nut. Align the center of the block on the roll bar, then use a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm wrench to tighten. Now we can take our universal SSC2 bracket and bolt it in place using the included washer and bolt with our roll bar mount. Next, we'll bolt our SSC2 to our universal bracket by using our supplied 5/32 Allen bolt and nut. Tighten everything down using a 5/32 Allen and 3/8 wrench, then repeat the steps on the other side. If you ended up going with a reverse light kit that includes a red running light with a high-intensity white reverse light, the installation process is exactly the same. Inside the vehicle, disconnect the passenger seat belts by pulling the loop end through and out of the harness. Next, adjust the seat forward by pulling the lever towards you and pushing the seat up. With the seat forward, reach behind the seat and use an 18mm ratchet and remove 2 gold locking nuts. Next, adjust the seat all the way back and remove the 2 front mounting bolts using a 13mm wrench and ratchet. Once removed, lift the seat out and set aside. Remove the access panel along the passenger side console by gently pulling away from the retention tabs, starting in the left corner and set aside. Repeat for the forwardmost panel. You'll now have access to the battery. Use a 10mm socket to disconnect the positive lead and secure away from the terminal. Peel back the rubber cover on the bus bar and use a 10mm ratchet to loosen the positive and negative connections and add in the positive and negative leads from the harness. Tighten and reattach the rubber cover. Run switch leads to the desired location, making sure to avoid any moving parts. You can connect your own switch or use the one provided. Confirm function before final placement. Next, route the DT connectors through the console towards the rear of the vehicle. Pull one connector through to the driver's side, making sure to run along factory harness looms to ensure you're not tangling with any moving or hot parts. Push through the gap in the protective bracket, and once through the bracket, push up to the top of the shock. Remove one T30 Torx bolt and continue routing the harness up and behind. Plug in the DT connector and repeat for the other side, making sure to stay away from any hot or moving parts. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring using zip ties and put everything back together the same way we took it apart. As you can see, this kit allows you to easily add 2 SSC2 LED pods as chase lights, giving you more visibility in dust or fog for drivers behind you, with an additional amber backlight so when you stop on the trail, you can switch the backlight on for general scene lighting. And if you went with a reverse light kit, you'll have a brilliant white main beam along with a red accent light. If you're looking to pick up an SSC2 chase light kit for your ride or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.